Hello everyone and welcome back. Alright, the lock I have for you tonight is this American 700. I got this lock about a week ago from eBay for my American lock collection. And yeah, it's one of the big boys. And well, I thought I would pull it out of the collection tonight, see if we can't get it picked. And then, well, I could retire it into my collection for good. But yeah, I tried picking Series 600. That was a loaner from Trek, and spring tension on that core was so strong I just could not get that lock picked. I broke a couple of picks in it, but this one here, it seems like it doesn't even have half of that spring tension, so I'm pretty sure I shouldn't have a problem with this one. I do have one of my own 600s coming in probably next week. Should have it by next week, and hopefully that one won't have that type of spring tension, and I will be able to get that one picked too. But anyways, we're gonna see if we can't get this one picked tonight. Yeah, I'll take a peek inside it real quick. I'll put it back together, and it'll go back into my collection. But just give me a minute. I will get this thing set up in a vise, and well, we'll see if we can't get her picked. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so that spring tension in this core is not even half as strong as that 600. So I should be able to get into it, hopefully. But we're going to try it, and we'll see. I don't know if I showed you the bidding on this, but that is the bidding on the key there. And yeah, let's see if we can't get her opened. Got this pry bar in 50,000, and I think I'm just going to use, well, my pick, one of my favorites. And, oh, let me zoom this up for us. Sorry about that. Make sure that we're going to stay in focus. Let's see. Pin 3. Still going to use pretty moderate tension. I mean, there is some spring tension in this core. If you don't, you're going to end up probably oversetting pretty easily. This is pin 4. 1 click. 2 clicks. Pin 5. A little click there. Click on 2, click on 1, I'm getting some counter here on 1. Ooh, okay, we got a nice little falset going there. Kicked right over too, because I am using kind of moderate tension. Alright, let's see. I think it's going to be pin 2. Maybe. Pin 3. A little bit of counter here. I don't think I got him. Try it again. And we're open on 3. Awesome. That's a fun little pick. Alright, let's open her up. Let's see what's inside this lock. Like I said, I can put it back together, and I will retire it in my collection. Alright, that's a Phillips. I need a bigger screwdriver. Oh, I think I got it. Yep. I don't know if this lock's ever been opened. That's pretty tight. Sure, there's some Loctite on there. Alright, well, it is a 6-pin core, but I'm sure it's only pinned up with 5 pins. That is a 5-pin key. Alright, let's lock it back up. And we will get this clip off. I'm probably going to have to use one of these from West Coast Picks. Okay. I'm going to turn it this way so that half moon is facing up. I don't think I have to shim it, but I'll do it just to be safe. And the key pins are up over here. Let me move that out of the way. Yep. 5 pins in there. A lot of serrated pins. Probably all serrated. But we're going to see. Pin 1 is a little shorty, so no serrations on that. Just a standard. Couple serrations on 2. Couple of serrations on 3. Serrated on 4 and serrated on 5. And I'm sure nothing done to the core. I'm hoping to see some serrated spools up here. I'm trying to hold it in my hand, it's a little small. Alright. Serrated in 1. I'm not going to pull these springs. And we have a serrated spool. Awesome. That's exactly what I wanted to see. This one here is a weak spring though. So maybe I will pull the springs because I got a feeling they did put a, one that's a bit different, probably for bumping purposes. Another weak one here, another weak spring. And that is another serrated spool in 5, and another really weak spring here in 4. Alright, well, let's see what we have here. Little copper spring in 5. I just want to see if they're all the same size, or all the same springs. And nope, that one is, I believe, a little bit smaller. Maybe. They might be all the same. Alright, nothing is done up here. No. Alright, well, let's have a look at these pins though. Alright, down below here we have a standard in 1 because he's just a little shorty. And then we have a serrated in 2, serrated in 3, 4, and 5. And up top here we have one serrated, and then all the rest are serrated. Oh no, excuse me, another serrated here in 3, and 3 of these serrated spools. And all the springs are the same. I thought maybe there would be 1 or 2 different a little bit later, but nope. Alright, cool. That is my American 700. Alright guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks guys. Bye.